Verifying your bank account on Rocket Money is a straightforward process that ensures your financial data is secure and accessible. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Download the Rocket Money app. Start by downloading the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. After logging in, go to the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the menu or profile area of the app. Look for an option related to bank account management or verification. Step 3. Add your bank account. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUB to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your bank account. Once you've entered your bank details, Rocket Money will initiate the verification process. This may involve sending small test deposits to your bank account. Check your bank statements for these deposits. Step 5. Confirm the test deposits. Return to the Rocket Money app and enter the amounts of the test deposits you received. This step confirms that you have access to the bank account and completes the verification process. After following these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified on Rocket Money. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact customer support for assistance.